Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to check how many friends you have on Snapchat. First of all, open your Snapchat app and follow these easy steps with me. Okay, now we have to tap on this map icon at the bottom left corner and it will give us this Snapchat map. Next, tap on this G icon at the top right corner and it will open this dialog box for us. So what we should do? Just enable the location access. Now tap on the G icon again and it will open settings for us. So now turn off this ghost mode button and select third option from this dialog box. Then select all friends here and tap on save. Now we can see how many friends we have under here. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.